Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to discuss about the history of Delhi. So Delhi's history begins with the onset of the Delhi Sultanate in 12th century. Since then, Delhi has been the center of a succession of mighty empires and powerful kingdoms, making Delhi one of the longest serving capitals and one of the oldest inhabited cities in the world. The Delhi Sultanate is the name given for a series of five successive dynasties, which remained as a dominant power of Indian subcontinent with Delhi as their capital. The rule of the Delhi Sultanate was established in 1206 by Qutbuddin Aibak. The relics of the Delhi Sultanate include the Qutub Minar and its surrounding monuments and the Tughlaqabad Fort. As you can see here in the picture also, the Delhi Sultanate came to an end in 1526 when Babur defeated the forces of the last Sultan of Delhi, Ibrahim Lodi, at the first battle of Panipat and formed the Mughal Empire. So from here begins the Mughal Empire. The Mughal Empire ruled the area for 3 centuries. So about 3 centuries, Mughal Empire ruled the area of Delhi. The 5th Mughal Emperor Shahjahan built the walled city of Shahjahanabad within Delhi and its landmarks, the Red Fort and Jama Masjid. So here in this video I have also shown you the Red Fort and Jama Masjid. After the death of his successor Aurangzeb, the Mughal Empire was plagued by a series of revolts. They lost major portions to the Maratha and Sikh empires, and Delhi was sacked and looted by Nadir Shah. Then after Mughal Empire, Marathas ruled. So the Marathas captured Delhi in the Battle of Delhi in 1757 and continued to rule it until 1803 when they were defeated by the British during the Second Anglo-Maratha War. In 1803, the Delhi was captured by the British East India Company. During company rule in India, the Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah II was reduced to merely a figurehead. The Indian Rebellion of 1857 sought to end company rule and declared Bahadur Shah II the Emperor of India. So here you can pause the video and answer the reflection spot given. The British soon recaptured Delhi and their other territories, ending the short-lived rebellion. This also marked the beginning of direct British rule in India. In 1911, the capital of British India was shifted from Calcutta to New Delhi. After India's independence from the British, New Delhi became the capital of newly formed Republic of India. So this was in short the history of Delhi. Thank you.